2025. A year filled with innovation, progress, and unbelievable tragedies, from collapsing highways to burning oceans, from drone disasters to near-air collisions. These are the 10 accidents that shook the world to its core. Brace yourself, the truth is shocking. Number 10. The Dubai Metro Collision. It was supposed to be the safest metro in the world, fully automated, AI-controlled. But on a quiet January morning, something went horribly wrong. Two driverless trains collided head-on, sending passengers flying. The impact shattered the myth that automation is flawless. Experts still can't agree on what caused the system to fail. Number 9. The Arctic Research Ship Explosion. Deep in the frozen silence of the Arctic, disaster struck without warning. A massive explosion ripped through a research vessel studying melting ice caps. Scientists were thrown into freezing waters as flames lit up the night sky. Rescue teams battled brutal winds to pull survivors from the ice. Number 8. The Berlin Data Center Fire. In a world built on data, one fire brought everything to its knees. Europe's largest data center ignited like a torch. Servers melted, cloud systems crashed. Millions lost access to their digital lives. The fire took 14 hours to control. The damage took months to repair. Number 7. The Mexico City highway collapse. Rush hour turned into a nightmare. An elevated highway suddenly buckled and collapsed. Cars dropped 40 feet onto the street below. Traffic cameras captured everything: the collapse, the dust cloud, the chaos. Rescue teams fought against time to lift concrete slabs and save trapped civilians. Number 6. The Tokyo drone crash. Technology meant to serve turned into a threat. A malfunctioning delivery drone spiraled out of control and crashed into a crowded street festival. Sparks flew. People ran. Police later revealed the drone had suffered a rare hardware failure, one that shook public trust in drone delivery systems. Number 5. The Mediterranean oil tanker fire. The sea turned into a burning battlefield. An oil tanker collided with a cargo vessel near Sicily. The explosion sent flames shooting sky-high and black smoke across the coast. Fire crews fought for hours from land, sea, and air. The environmental damage was devastating. Number 4. The New Delhi chemical plant leak. A silent killer spread through the air. A massive chemical leak forced thousands to evacuate. Streets emptied. Sirens echoed through neighborhoods. The toxic cloud lingered for hours as experts struggled to contain the leak. Number 3. The Las Vegas mega hotel power collapse. The newest luxury hotel experienced its worst nightmare. During a packed weekend, the entire electrical system failed. Guests were trapped in elevators. Corridors went dark. Backup generators refused to start. It was one of the biggest power failures in Vegas history. Number 2. The Shanghai ferry capsize. The river swallowed the ferry in minutes. Heavy waves and strong winds overturned a passenger ferry carrying over 200 people. Rescue divers fought violent currents to reach survivors trapped inside the hull. The accident triggered massive safety reforms across China. Number 1. The London airport runway near collision. It could have been one of the worst air disasters in history. Two planes, moments from landing, came dangerously close due to radar miscommunication. Pilots slammed on emergency brakes. Passengers were thrown forward. The incident forced airports worldwide to reevaluate communication protocols. 2025 reminded us of a painful truth. No matter how advanced we become, one mistake, one malfunction, one unexpected moment can change everything. Stay aware. Stay safe. And never forget the lessons these tragedies left behind. Thanks for watching.